In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Figma easily with auto-layout. Simple, responsive auto-layout table. Open your Figma project so you're looking at the frame or canvas where the table will live. We'll start by creating a single building block that becomes a fully responsive table with just a few tweaks. Add a text layer and type a simple label like a column heading or a sample cell value. With that text selected, set its alignment to the left. Left alignment is the most predictable for tables because it keeps labels tidy and makes scanning easier, especially when column widths change later. Now turn that text into a smart, flexible cell by applying auto layout. You can do this from the right sidebar. Once auto layout is on, adjust padding to give the text breathing room and keep your cells consistent. This little frame is now your table row item. Duplicate that item to the desired length so you have multiple entries. Duplicating inside an auto layout frame will automatically position each new item based on your layout settings, which is exactly what we want for a table. Switch the direction to vertical by clicking on vertical flow in the auto layout panel. That stacks your items top to bottom, transforming your duplicated cells into a clean column of rows. Adjust the spacing between items if needed to get the right visual rhythm. To create emphasis for key parts of your table, open the Fill or Styles panel and type in Highlight. This searches your available styles. Click on Highlight to apply it to a selected element, such as a header row or an alternating row to improve readability. For predictable, responsive columns, select the relevant item and click on Fixed Width. Fixed width prevents columns from growing with longer content and helps maintain a neat grid when the frame is resized. You can always fine-tune the width numerically in the sidebar for precision. If you want to reuse the same emphasis elsewhere, type in Highlight again and apply it to the next element. Reusing a single style keeps your design consistent and makes global updates effortless. Finish up by customizing the table design, tweak padding and gaps to balance density and readability, set type styles for headers versus body cells, and add subtle strokes or separators for clear boundaries. You can also round corners slightly, adjust text truncation for long content, and rename your layers so rows and columns are easy to manage. The result is a simple, responsive auto layout table that's quick to edit, resizes gracefully, and stays consistent across your designs.